Hello, welcome to another episode of What's in the Kitchen here at Carroll Lutheran Village. I'm Chef Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to do a California chicken BLT wrap, and that will be available in the bistro and the cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to take a chicken breast that we've grilled off and cooked it to 165 degrees, and then we're going to just slice it down. And I'm going to set it back onto the plate now, and I'm going to get ready, and we're going to make the rest of the wrap. Now we're going to assemble the wrap. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tomato and I'm going to slice it. Take my tomato and I'm going to take the first part off, and then I'm just going to make, usually you can get about 8 or 10 slices off of a tomato. And you want to be careful when you come across that way, keeping your fingers and thumb out of the way. And I'm going to set this aside, and we're going to get ready to make the wrap now. So take my wrap, I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to spread some guacamole. And then I'm going to take some ranch dressing and put that down too. This will help everything sticking together. So when you take a bite and rolling it, it stays all pretty well together as opposed to falling and coming right apart. So I've put all that down. Now I'm going to take 2 to 3 slices of tomato. Some of my chicken. That was a 6-ounce raw breast that I sliced up. So when it cooks down, it comes down to about 4.5 to 5 ounces. Place that down. Put my bacon on top. And I've got 3 slices of bacon. Now when we make this, we will most likely be using a crumbled bacon. Just makes it a little easier and a little neater to wrap in eating the wrap, so it doesn't all pull apart when you take a bite. I've laid my lettuce on top. Now I'm going to roll it, and the way I roll a wrap, the first thing I do is I bring my edges in a little bit, using my fingers to hold it together, come up and around, keeping those edges tucked in, bring it right on down and around, and then we just cut it in half. And there you have a California chicken BLT wrap, and as I mentioned, that will be available in the bistro and the cafe this week on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you. Bye.